Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
One oil that will stop your hair fall and grow thick long hairs in just 10 days time. Castor oil is a common ingredient used for beauty treatments, especially for skin and hair health. It is an ancient beauty remedy, which can improve your skin quality, prevent hair loss, and promote hair growth. Benefits of castor oil for hair and skin. Castor oil contains natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. Moreover, it is high in vitamin E, minerals, proteins, omega-6, and retinoleic acid. Due to these nutrients, castor oil is beneficial for skin and hair. It can be used topically for acne and other skin conditions. Additionally, it treats rashes and hair loss. If you want to use it for skin care, use handcrafted castor oil cleansing blend. When it comes to the benefits of castor oil for hair, it can be used to prevent and remedy hair loss. Moreover, due to the antibacterial and antifungal properties, castor oil is beneficial against folliculitis, dandruff and scalp infections. It increases circulation to the scalp and improve hair growth. Furthermore, the retinoleic acid balances scalp pH and makes the hair stronger, smoother and less frizzy. How to use castor oil treatments on hair. If you use castor oil properly, it can be extremely effective for hair health. You can use it 1-2 times per week. The castor oil is quite thick, so it is better when combined with other ingredients. We present you a natural solution, which will stop hair loss and promote hair growth. Castor oil hair serum recipe. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 tablespoon jojoba oil or argan oil. Instructions: the preparation of this serum is quite easy. All you have to do is mix the ingredients in a dark-colored dropper bottle and shake it to mix them. Use: you should use the dropper to apply to the scalp. You should coat your whole scalp. Then, massage it for 5 minutes. Let it act overnight. It is best to apply it on damp hair. After applying, use a shower cap or towel to avoid getting the oil on furniture or a pillow. It can be quite difficult to remove castor oil with a shampoo. Instead, you can crack an egg and whisk until smooth and then massage the egg into the scalp. This will break down the oil. Then, shampoo as usual. This serum can also be used to grow thick eyelashes. Note: before applying it, test a tiny amount on your inner arm to make sure you don't have a reaction to castor oil.